Hi, I'm Jason Buck. I work with Remax Estate Properties and I shoot video of homes that come on the market. I'm on a beautiful street. It's called Calle De Ricardo. We're in the upper Hollywood Riviera, which gives us a huge view out that way to the whole ocean and the South Bay, the Queen's Necklace. This property was just renovated. It's beautiful. Look at the exterior and the pretty neat garage. And also a really wide hallway. Like they did a lot of nice work here to update this property. Here is our garage. Whoa. There's a Ferrari in here. It's pretty nice. I wonder if that comes with the house. Got it. There's storage in here. 220. Already in the garage, so that way you can hook up your Tesla charger, I'm sure. Has one room right here off the top, off the front door. Windows are updated. They're nice. It comes up really gold. A nice tub all tiled in. It's nice. One room there. Second room here. Cute. Oh, it's en suite as well. So nice and new, and then looks like a new tub, but that's an emblem. Interesting. I thought it was a crack, but it is not. So skim ceilings, recessed lighting. This room's bright. There is one more room upstairs. So let's go take a look real quick. This looks like the original staircase. This looks like the gunite stuff that they used to build the homes with. And then it has this room up here. It's almost like a loft. And then you don't. I thought there would have been a killer view. So I'm 6 foot. You touch the top of, no, you can't touch it. You can touch now. So, you know, and then it has its bath here. It's like a plastic or whatever this thing is, that countertop. Wow. Wow, that's a lot of little drawers. It's a closet here. So this is all for this top room. One room upstairs. Okay. So we had two down here, one and two, one up. A big laundry room, a lot of storage and double stacks, and a half bath. And then Shazam, really big open area here, you know, dining fine, and then on into kitchen area, kind of with the breakfast nook, countertop type of situation, but it's real big look out there, all the ocean and everything. And then nice stuff in here. Let's see. KitchenAid, Bosch, really nice cabinetry, Time Drew, cushion clothes, really neat. And these are probably Kush. Not sure how to get into those. Interesting. These are big drawers. Cool. Two-tone. And it's interesting, it's got a little sheen to it in the black. Huh, we put the microwave down here. Interesting. Lots of upper cabinets. This is beautiful. This sunroom / addition A-frame, just gorgeous. The floor is like a pergola. It's not quite hardwood. We'll go out there in just a minute to check out the view. This primary bedroom is here, and it also has a bit of a vault. It's got the closet and a big bath, double sink. And I went with the gold. Looks good. You got the Doors going out from here as well. Wow. Nice. There's Rocket Ship Park. There's the rocket ship. So not a lot of yard out here, but boy, a beautiful view. You can look right up the coastline. Nice spot. So if you're looking for a home and you have questions about what's happening in the market or some of the new rules, I'm happy to explain. If you want to see this place, it's a pretty neat new property, and things are cooking. So I'd be happy to take you around, show you what's going on, detail all the homes in the area, comps, all that kind of stuff, whatever it takes to help you find the right place, because that's what I'm interested in. So thanks for watching. Make it a great day. Catch you soon.